Hello friends, now I'm going to show you how to replace the pickup roller on brother DCP devices, especially DCP-1512, DCP-1510. Additional models you will find in the description below. So, this paper feed roller. First remove the cartridges. And let's see what we have in here. Here is our paper feed roller. I will zoom a little bit. We have to push to the right this white hook, let's say. But first there is another black hook here. We have to pull towards us. First pull the black hook and then we have to push the white hook to the right. I will use a small flat screwdriver. And push it to the right. Now push to the right the paper feed roller assembly and take it out. Now take your new paper feed roller and in a reverse order just push it, just boom. We have to put this white hook again back on its place. And that's it. We have a new paper feed roller. Thank you very much and good luck.